Hello, welcome to Why is Pyraminx So Easy. Today I'll be teaching you how to learn Pyraminx, how to solve the dude, do the thing, do the stuff. First things first, tips. The tips are the easier to solve because you can just turn it. You see how they're all the same and you can just turn them to line them up. Tips are too easy. Pyraminx is very easy. Wait until all the tips are done. Now all the tips are done. Congratulations. Then you want to solve all the centers. You do this by figuring out, okay, what side isn't on these? It's yellow. There's no yellow on these three things. Ignore the tip. Actually, don't ignore the tip. The tip counts. Ignore these pieces here. You only want to deal with the tip and these center pieces. What's not on this? It's yellow. There's no yellow on this, so put the yellow one that's supposed to be yellow on top. There's no yellow here. Ignore this. Just these three. So we move this yellow up, move this yellow up, and move this yellow up. So there's all yellow here. Move this green. So all these centers are done. Now we need to pick a side that we want to solve. Let's go with red. This one's on the left. So what we do to put this down is we go left down, left up, right up, and that's done. For the blue one now, so there's the blue one's the only red one. We go right down, right up, left up. We've got a yellow red piece now. We go left down, left up, right up. So you start with whatever side it's on. And we solve the centers again. Is it solved? No. We'll pick a different side. Let's go with yellow. Got a yellow up here in the top layer. We go, it's on the right, so we go right down, right up, left up. Blue yellow. Find the blue yellow. Rotate it. Now it's here. It's on the right, so we go right down, right up, left up. Is it solved yet? No. Solve the centers. Let's do red this time. So now I've got this green red here. Move it over. So the green and the red and the green and the red, and it goes here. So right down, right up, left up. We've got this blue red now. Blue red goes over here. Turn that like this. Left. It's on the left side, so we go left down, left up, right up, and it's solved. All right. First, starting is tips. Just turn them until they're solved. So we've already got all the centers except one solved. So we've got 3 green centers here. And then we just need to turn this to solve the rest of the centers. Now let's go with green since we're already on it. Start with the blue. So the blue-green is back here and it's supposed to go down here. So we bring it over here. Start with the left since it's on the left side. Left down, left up. Right up. That blue's done. Just go the yellow this time. It's on the left down, left up, right up. This one's on the left. Line it up so it's on the bottom. You go left down, left up, right up. Is it solved? No. What side isn't solved? Yellow is not solved, but they're already there. Let's go with the red. That's already there. Okay, we've got a flipped edge. You can just do this by doing left down, or right down, right up, left up, top this way, left up, top around this way, left down. Or you can just do it from any angle. Do right down, right up, left up. And now we need to we'll put this red back in. Right down, right up, left up. Now we'll do green. So we've got this green, yellow. Right down, right up, left up. And we've got this green and blue. Turn this back, green and blue. Left down, right up. Solved. Pyraminx is easy, learn it.